friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain is Bunny Made a legit or a scam website. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end. I will share the way to get your money back. So, first discuss what this website is basically offering to the customers. From the home page, you all can see that this website basically deals with the all kinds of bra of the woman. And if you want to know the designs, let's check it below. Here are some of the designs. But yeah, there is no menu section from where you can get more details. There is directly a buy option. So if you click there, you will see that only about the discount offered is shown, but nothing else. No images has been given. Nothing. So yeah, 50% discount is there if you purchase the product now, but no image has been given. Besides this, if you want to know the payment method, let's go into the home page. So yeah, we are back in the home page. Guys, this website only accepts the PayPal method. Not any other type of payment method is accepted. It is clearly written here that PayPal is accepted. Besides this, if you want to know about the shipping details, they usually ship the product within 7 to 10 days. And now, let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints. But before going further, I would request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. So guys, look into the official website which is mentioned on the top. It is protected by HTTP protocol, which means that your payment gateway is totally safe and secure, which is a plus point. Next comes the website age. So this website domain has been registered on 14th September 2020. So it is a new website. So its credibility is not so high as it is not an old website. So yeah, it's a negative point. Now move into the About Us section. Here is no About Us section, but still they have mentioned in the home page few details about them, which is given here. The story behind them. You can get here all the details about them, which is not copy pasted from any other website. So yeah, it's pretty good. The content quality is good, we can say. Besides this, if you want to know about the contact address, let's scroll down below. Guys, nothing is mentioned about the contact address. We just get a customer service support, that is support at the rate of goworldblue.com, which does not matches with the domain name, so it's pretty suspicious. Besides this, if you want to check the customer reviews, there what people said about it, yeah, it's given here. You can get to see about the customer reviews. There are 3 to 4 customers who have mentioned their review. Besides this, if you want to know about the social media presence, there is nothing mentioned about it. No social media presence till now, as it is new website, which is a negative point. And if you want to know about return and refund policy, there is no details regarding it. As there is no menu section, we can't get anything. Nothing is said about it, about the return and refund policy, which is again a negative point and makes this website suspicious. So guys, on the basis of the above discussion, we can say that it is a new website and nothing much information is available about it. So we don't have a clear idea about what it is legit or not, but still it can be said that it has lot of negative points. So if you have any experience or idea regarding it, please mention it on the comment section. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please subscribe this video and be informed, be safe. Thank you guys.